Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You have the essentials ready: updated OS and a current backup. First, install a well-reviewed locker app and grant storage and accessibility so it can monitor app launches. Next, open the locker and create a strong 4-6-digit PIN or enable fingerprint unlock. This prevents casual access. Once done, add Snapchat to the protected apps list and allow notification access so the locker can suppress previews. Make sure a recovery email, or PIN hint, is configured before proceeding. Now you configure the deeper settings that actually secure Snapchat. Choose an auto-lock delay that matches your usage, shorter for more security. 15 seconds is common. Then disable lock screen previews and hide Snapchat notifications to stop glanceable messages. Enable encryption on the locker for any media the app saves, and link a recovery method like an email or secondary PIN in case you lose biometrics. Once configured, test by locking and unlocking Snapchat several times to confirm behavior and timing. Finish by doing a full verification. Lock Snapchat, close background apps, then unlock using your PIN and biometrics to confirm both paths work. Verify your backup and recovery method by sending a test code or checking the recovery email so you won't be stranded. Make sure auto updates are enabled for both Snapchat and the locker. If something goes wrong, the key troubleshooting step is to check and re-grant app permissions. If still locked out, clear the locker app cache or reinstall it, and restore your settings from the recovery option.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.